Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen even better. Let's start with the foundation, your broth. A great ramen begins with a rich, flavorful base. You can easily enhance store-bought broth by adding fresh aromatics like 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1-inch piece of grated ginger, and the white parts of 2 scallions. A small dash of soy sauce or a tablespoon of miso paste can also introduce a wonderful depth of umami, transforming a simple broth into something truly special. Next, let's talk about the noodles themselves. The key to perfect ramen noodles is cooking them separately from your broth. This prevents them from releasing excess starch into your soup, which can make it cloudy and thick. Always follow the package instructions carefully, aiming for an al dente texture firm to the bite. After cooking, a quick rinse under cold water for about 10 seconds can stop the cooking process and remove surface starch, ensuring a delightful mouthfeel. Now for the fun part, toppings. These additions can truly elevate your ramen experience. A soft-boiled egg, cooked for exactly 6.5 minutes, offers a creamy, rich yolk that beautifully complements the broth. Thinly sliced proteins, like 2 ounces of tender chashu pork belly or seasoned chicken, add substantial flavor. Don't forget fresh garnishes such as a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro or a sprinkle of thinly sliced green onions for a burst of freshness and color. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches and focus on presentation. A drizzle of 1 teaspoon of chili oil or toasted sesame oil can introduce a wonderful aroma and a subtle warmth. For a bright, zesty note, try a small squeeze of fresh lime juice or a sprinkle of furikake, a Japanese seasoning blend. Arranging your ingredients thoughtfully, with each component visible, makes your ramen not just a meal, but a beautiful and inviting culinary creation. Enjoy your enhanced ramen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.